Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So this is actually pretty easy and a very fast one. So let's start our video. So we have three solutions for you to do. So the first solution is we want to hold and press on Instagram application here. And from here, you want to go to app info. Under app info, you want to click on the clear data, and from here just click on clear all data. So our goal here is to actually reset our Instagram application so that we could actually install the updates on our Instagram account or Instagram application here. So once you've done that, you want to head back into your home screen again and go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. So here, just quickly search for Instagram. And from here, check if there are any updates on your Instagram account here. So once you updated that, you could just go ahead and open up your Instagram account here, and you want to go to the top right of your home screen here, and from there check if you already have or you can now access the notes option there. So if you aren't able to access the notes section there, then we have our second solution. So for our second solution, we want to head back into our homepage, and then we want to head back into our profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here, you want to click on the top right of your screen. From here, you want to choose settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to go to the very bottom of your screen. So here, your first thing you want to do is you want to search for professionals and just click on account type and tools. And under account type and tools, you want to switch over to a personal account. So if you have a professional account, the notes options or features will not be available to you. So if you have a professional account, then you'll have to switch over to a personal account. So if you're already in a personal account in your account here, then we want to actually reset our account. So first thing is you have to do the same things that we do previously, and here you want to switch to professional account option there. And from here, just click on continue, and just follow the steps here and just click on continue. For example, the options here doesn't actually really matters because we'll be actually switching back into our personal account. So let's just continue here. Now, once you've actually set up your professional account, you want to head back into your profile again and just click on the three bar icon at the top right. And from here, you want to go to settings and privacy again. In here, you want to locate the for professionals again, but usually it's on the top of your options here since we're in a professional account already. And just click on creator tools and controls. And from here, you want to click on the switch account type. From here, you want to switch to personal account, and here switch to personal account. So let this load up while we actually switch over to our personal account. And from here, you could just go back into your home page and just click on your messages and check if you already have the notes option or feature now in your phone. But if you still don't have that feature, then we have our final solution for you. So first thing is you want to head back into your home page, and then here click on the profile at the bottom right of your screen. In here, you want to click on the top right, that's where the three bar icon is, and from here you want to go to settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you want to scroll down at the very bottom, go to help, and under help, you want to click on report a problem. In here, you just want to make sure that the shake phone to report a problem at the very bottom is actually enabled. This is going to be really helpful when reporting problems on your Instagram application or your Instagram account. So once you've done that, you want to head back into your homepage here, and you want to go to your messages where the notes is usually located. So here, you just want to shake your phone, and the pop-up "did something go wrong" will appear on your screen. Just here, click on the report a problem option there, and from here, include and continue. Here, you just want to explain that notes is not available in my account. Assistance on getting this feature. You could copy this specific line or sentence that I've just posted here on the video, but you don't have to copy this word per word. You could explain it in your own words, but along this line, this have you just have to say to them, I just need assistance on getting this feature into your account. And once you're satisfied, just click on send, and you just have to wait from Instagram support for their reply or their fix on this issue, and that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.